Today's video is all about how to stay motivated, even when you don't feel like doing anything. So keep watching, and if you find value in this video, please give it a like. It really helps the channel. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on new videos that can push you toward your goals. All right, let's get started. What is motivation? Motivation is the energy that keeps you moving forward. But here's the truth, you won't always feel motivated. That's why you need a system to stay on track even on tough days. Let me show you how to stay motivated step by step. 1. Start small. Waiting for motivation to come first? You'll wait forever. Start with one tiny action, just one step. Clean your desk. Write one sentence. Do 5 push-ups. Once you move, your brain wakes up. Action creates motivation, not the other way around. 2. Create visual reminders. Put your goals where you can see them. On your wall, on your phone. In your mind every morning. When your goal is visible, it becomes real. And when it's real, you work for it. 3. Surround yourself with inspiration. Follow people who inspire you. Watch videos that fire you up. Your environment matters more than you think. If you feed your mind positive energy every day, you'll keep growing, no matter what. And hey, subscribe to this channel for a regular dose of that energy. We're building a community of doers, dreamers, and unstoppable minds just like you. 4. Track your progress. Each small win is proof you're moving forward. Write it down, record it, be proud of it. Because when you see how far you've come, you'll want to keep going. Reward yourself. Set small goals and celebrate when you reach them. The reward can be anything, a treat, a walk, a break, even just saying, "I did it." That simple act tells your brain, "Good job. Let's do it again." Conclusion. So remember, start small. Surround yourself with inspiration. Track your wins. Celebrate progress. That's how you stay motivated, not just once, but every single day. If this video helped you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below about what you're working on. Subscribe to the channel for weekly videos on motivation, discipline, self-growth, and mindset. Thank you so much for watching, and always remember, you have what it takes, you just have to keep going.